Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a group video call on Telegram. So simply just open the Telegram application on your mobile device and just tap to this group chat of any. Then you will be just open this profile of this group and you will just finding the option is video chat simply in the left. So I will be just tap on it easily. So if you want to just start video chat, so simply just tap on it, or if you want to just schedule video chat, so you will be just also set the schedule with the stream. And I want to just tap on start video chat. So simply while the video chat, you will be just adding a live member by this invite members. So I will just tap on it. So from here you will just add a member for this group chat. So you will also copy this invite link and send someone, and when they will just click their link and it will be automatically add in this group video call. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.